Welcome back to another video. I'm wiring up a premium controller for a Samsung ducted system, and today I'm going to go over just the characteristics that make up the thermostat, show you a few of the features, and just kind of show off. So this is a Shun, a standard wired controller that Samsung makes. This is your standard and this is your premium. Let's look at the premium and see the difference. So I installed the premium controller. It's a 13N. For technicians, you know what I'm talking about. When you get done installing this controller, there are two books that you have to use to set the time, the date, and then all the additional user functions. We've got an installation manual that the technician's going to use, and then a user manual that the technician's going to also use. So keep these books. Definitely going to need them. They're important.
I'm going to use my user manual to do my first additional function. Setting additional user functions. I mean, I probably should go, this is boring. I don't know what this. Main menu, sub menus, functions, all that junk. What do I need to do? I need to go to menu number 4, sub menu number 1. I need to go to 2018. Month, 7th month, and the day is the 18th day. Set. Now, go to sub menu number 2, go over, and now I'm going to do AM because it's, AM right now. Go over the time. Let's set the time. What time is it? Go look at our phones. Everybody looks at their phones for the time. 10:09. Yeah, keep on moving. It's Wednesday. Set. Alright. We are saved. Now, we want to set the backlight. It's the last thing that has to be set on this. The backlight. Oh, I hope I set the backlight now. Okay, it's main menu number 6. Backlight time setting. We're going to go for 20 seconds. I like to see the screen light for at least 20 seconds so I can stare at it. Set. Exit. Exit. Alright, now, installation manual. Delete and set for 3 seconds. Hold the buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that's more than 3 seconds. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You can do this way. You can do this. Off. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Okay, main menu number 1. Sub menu number 1. It's going to be cooling and heating. We're not using wireless controller. This is the main controller. And I want Fahrenheit. Set. Okay, sub menu number 2. We want the wired controller to tell the temperature, not the indoor unit. We don't want to use the average temperature. Use of auto mode, yes. And temperature display, we want the room temperature display. Alright, set. Now, exit, I'm done. Okay.
After you set all the additional user functions and you have the time and date setting correct on your thermostat, then you can go in and you can put what temperature, what mode selection that you want, your fan speed, and all that good stuff. So we've looked at the thermostat, and I just want to say that unlike conventional systems, Samsung's user controls have a lot of options compared to the conventional equipment. We have 5 different operations to choose from. We have off, we have heat, we have cool, we have automatic, which controls heating and cooling. We have dry mode that controls humidity a little bit more during those rainy days or during the hot, humid summers. And then we've got fan speed. We can control our fan. We can go from low to medium to high. So there's so many different features that you have compared to your, regular conventional thermostat. And that's one of the reasons I like Samsung. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this new premium controller with me, and I hope that you choose Samsung next HVAC purchase. If you have any questions, have any comments, please like and share my channel, leave your comments below, and I'll try to answer everything that I can.